Excellency, Honorable Minister of State for FCT, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, permit me to stand and explain protocol. Madam Saratu Gidada. Recently, I had the opportunity to be in Kano at the Kano Indigenous Language of Africa Film Festival, and I could see for myself the kind of energy and Saratu Gidada, popularly known as Daso, is a Nigerian film actress. Please forgive my pronunciation, I don't speak Hausa. But is a Nigerian film actress, primarily in the Kannywood film industry. She is known for the role she always plays as an aggressive and mischievous actress. Aggressive and mischievous. Who defied all odds to rise to stardom. She made her film debut in 2000.
Jaruma Film Festival for your contributions to the growth of the Nigerian film industry. Thank you very much. Next, I would like to also point. Now, also please stand by for cutting of the cake. When the minister finishes, you'll just swing to where the cake is and cut it. Thank you. I learned the FCT want to pull a string. Okay, only FCT organizing committee with the minister. NFC also wait. You cannot be